what is ClickFunnels? At its core, ClickFunnels is an online tool for building high-converting websites and sales funnels. But it's so much more than that. ClickFunnels help entrepreneurs generate leads, sell products, and everything in between. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one service for entrepreneurs who don't want to use multiple confusing tools for different things. With ClickFunnels, you can build a website, generate leads, make sales, grow your email list, and create a brand. But their real bread and butter, the thing that put them on the map and has changed thousands of entrepreneurs' businesses for the better, is sales funnels. Understanding the sales funnel. We spend a lot of time talking about these sales funnels. But what is a sales funnel? When most people talk about sales funnels, they think of something like this. This upside-down cone represents the overall process of guiding people all the way from awareness of your business to taking action with your business. But to us, that's not a sales funnel. That's a marketing funnel. It's simply a high-level depiction of how your business drives people toward taking the action that you want them to take. But what about actually making sales? That is, how do you get people to buy your products? That's what they care most about at ClickFunnels, helping entrepreneurs make sales as easy as possible. And the sales funnel is the answer. Quite simply, a sales funnel is a series of online pages that are intentionally crafted to turn visitors into leads and leads into customers, step by step. But there's a lot of psychology that goes into creating these sales funnels, which is why they've created easy-to-use, high-converting templates for their members. You can get your first sales funnel for free by clicking on the link below this video. Their tripwire funnel and product launch funnel are great for selling products. The squeeze page funnel and application funnel are great for generating leads. And webinar funnel is perfect for hosting an online event. Now, you might be thinking, how is this different than a website? Research shows that websites do more to confuse visitors than it does to convert visitors. ClickFunnels sales funnels are built just the opposite, with a clear goal in mind. And because of that, they convert like crazy. In fact, here are 7 ways you can make money online using ClickFunnels. 1. E-commerce. 2. Information products. 3. Freelance agency. 4. Coaching and counseling. 5. Network marketing. 6. Affiliate marketing. 7. B2B lead generation. We hope this helped answer your questions. You can get your first sales funnel for free by clicking on the link below this video.